Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to show you how to download and install Microsoft Teams on your laptop or PC. So Microsoft Teams is a valuable application for your computer, allowing you to set up, host, and join meetings. It's Microsoft's version of the popular video conferencing apps offered by many providers today. So I'll walk you through the entire process of getting it on your computer. So to begin, you need to open your preferred web browser, whether it's Microsoft Edge or Chrome. It does not matter. So once your browser is opened, you can go ahead and search for Microsoft Teams first, or you can go to microsoft.com or teams.live.com. And here select Download Teams from the top of the screen, which is highlighted in purple color. A new tab will open, and here again select Download Microsoft Teams for Windows. You can also compare plans and pricing as well if you want. Then click on Save to download the installer. Now launch the installer. Wait for a few minutes or seconds for the installation process to complete, and you'll see a progress bar as it downloads. Once it finishes, the window will close, and next press the search bar at the bottom of your screen and type in Teams, or it will automatically open sometimes it automatically opens as well. Now you should see the Team app opened. Click on Sign In to log into your specific account, or if you do not have one, you can create also. If you want to go ahead and directly join a meeting, you can go ahead and select this option over here and you'll be done. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.